Welcome back. Young people are demanding safe information about their reproductive health, particularly when it comes to access to safe abortions. While abortion services are free of charge in South Africa, there are numerous barriers to women being able to access the service. This has led to a number of Johannesburg-based organizations coming together to demand better on International Safe Abortion Day. Newzroom Afrika's Audrey Chimwanda reports.
The voice of the youth is clear. They want reliable information about reproductive health care. Victoria Satchwell from Abortion Support is concerned that pregnancy termination has become an unnecessarily huge risk for young women who simply do not know the safe options.
We should be able to self-determine our lives by accessing safe and compassionate abortion care. But this is not always the case in our very beautiful and very complex country, is it? We know that. Even though we've got very good laws that say that we should all have access to abortion, it's actually very difficult for many women and pregnant people to access abortion care. And we know that it's particularly difficult for young people, for sex workers, for people with HIV, for people with disabilities.
Organized by the IBIS Health NGO, a conglomerate of allies also joined the march to champion the same cause.
So a number of our organizations, IBIS Reproductive Health, IPAS, Section 27, Women's Legal Center, Sonke Gender Justice, we've come together around this cause and want to go around the Braamfontein city center, taking off stickers that promote illegal and unsafe abortion facilities and provide QR-coded stickers of those that provide public, free and safe abortion facilities to people.
With only a small portion of public sector facilities offering abortion services, experts say the skills and training needed for surgical abortions are few, meaning women's choices are limited when faced with unwanted pregnancies.
So I'm talking about the young person who has an abortion because she wants to carry on going to school and she doesn't feel like she's going to have time to look after a baby and finish her schooling. But I'm also talking about a mother who terminates an unwanted pregnancy because she's already got 2 children and she doesn't have the financial resources or the emotional resources to care for another child. But I'm also talking about the person who just doesn't see themselves as being a parent. They don't want to have a child, which is many of us.
South Africa remains one of the more than 20 countries to have loosened restrictions on abortion in recent years. However, advanced reproductive justice remains elusive for some.
While threats to abortion rights persist, advocates and activists continue to fight for bodily autonomy by raising awareness campaigns such as these ones, and they're hoping to shift public perception and stigma against abortion. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Audrey Chimwanda in Johannesburg.